This Ethereum ETH cost forecast 2022 video depends on specialized examination alone. Beneath, you will see the junctures that we have thought about after thinking of our ETH value examination and forecast. Ethereum is one of the most noteworthy digital forms of money in 2021, subsequent to returning more than 100% benefit to its holders. On the off chance that 2017 beginning coin contributions, ICO, like EOS 2021 is the extended period of Ethereum, since it achieved its current all-time excessive cost of $4,891.70 on November 16, 2021. As of late, Ethereum's London hard fork update went live. Strikingly, the hard fork occurred at a block level 12,965,000. Besides, the hard fork has likewise carried out 5 new ETH improvement proposals, IPs. In any case, IPs 1559, 3554, 3529, 3198, 3541 are code overhauls that point on further developing the client experience of ETH's organization. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that empowers its own cryptographic money, Ether. Besides, the ETH fills in as a stage for some other digital currencies, as well with respect to the execution of decentralized savvy contracts. All the more in this way, Ethereum was first made sense of in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, alongside other Prime supporters, got subsidizing for the undertaking in a web-based public group deal in the late spring of 2014 and authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015. Its cost at the ICO was $0.311. Much more, Ethereum's own implied objective is to turn into a worldwide stage for decentralized applications, empowering clients from everywhere the world to compose and run programming that is impervious to restriction, margin time, and extortion. Ethereum, ETH, current market status. As of the hour of compassing this Ethereum specialized examination, ETH exchanges at $2,501.35 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,469,392,702. In any case, the cost of ETH has diminished by 10.22% as of now. Moreover, ETH has an ongoing circling supply of 119,264,647.37 ETH. At present, the top crypto exchanging stages for ETH are Binance, FTX, Bitfinex, UOB Global, Bits, Bybit, and OKEx. Presently, how about we continue to the following piece of this ETH specialized investigation for 2022. Ethereum, ETH, Price Analysis 2022. Could the new turn of events and changes in the ETH's blockchain assist the digital currency with valuing to become higher? We should investigate the outlines in this ETH cost expectation. Specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern bearings by estimating the instability above or underneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for ETHUSDT, we can reason that the cost of Ethereum, ETH, could get bullish in certain days, since the cost is in the principal half of the channel from the base. Notwithstanding, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish, since top digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum are now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general force in the greatness of ongoing cost changes to conclude oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day diagram is 31.38. This shows that ETH is showing a powerless pattern since its RSI lies somewhere in the range of 30 and 50. This worth can set off a bullish run on the off chance that financial backers reposition themselves either toward the purchasers. Ethereum, ETH, Price Prediction 2022. The diagram beneath shows that Ethereum has performed perfect throughout the course of recent days. Nonetheless, the ETH cost shows a bullish sign and has acquired 7.1% in the beyond 24 hours. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, breaking its $1,456.70 RESISTANCE1 level and going higher to $4,766.67 at RESISTANCE7, the 2022 bullish sign. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers don't lean toward crypto, the bears could dominate and pull ETH from its upturn position. In less complex terms, the cost of ETH could diminish to nearly $848.75, a negative sign. In the meantime, our drawn-out Ethereum ETH cost expectation for 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, ETH, at about $4,891.70 as indicated by CoinMarketCap this year. Also, ETH can hit ETH, provided that it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming that this negative pattern turns around, Ethereum will reach $4,766.67 toward the finish of 2022. Additionally, the primary portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to $1,456.70. Then this ascent will dial back, yet no significant falls are normal. With impending organizations and improvements coming to $5,000 is very hopeful in the price tag of view, however without a doubt plausible for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2023. With the expansion in the quantity of ventures that are sent off in the Ethereum convention, there will be ceaseless interest for Ether, which could cause the cost to get to $10,000 in 2023. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2024. According to the most recent overhauls, improvements, ETH cost expectation, and new venture conjectures of the stage, ETH financial backers could expect numerous organizations and mixes around 2024. In addition, this could help the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $12,500. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2025. In the following 3 years, ETH cost could race up to $20,000. Nonetheless, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for ETH, as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that ETH has a high chance of coming to new ETH soon in the following 3 years according to the expectation. Ethereum, ETH, price prediction 2026. Regardless of the remedies the market encounters, the cost of ETH could get to no less than $30,000 toward the finish of 2026, however there is a high opinion that it very well may be outperformed.